You are one sick bastard. So let me get this straight. You killed both parents.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Your fingerprints were at the crime scene at the time of the murder. Your family is known to police. According to different files I've read, you and your little sister used to get abused as children. So tell me, what was the motive behind the murder?
Okay, look. All I've ever wanted to do was be accepted by my family. Me and my sister had a hard life growing up. Our parents used to argue a lot. It got worse over the years. Truth is, my parents used to abuse us. They said they did it because they loved us. But I don't know what to think anymore.
I understand what you're saying, but I cannot comprehend how you killed your parents. This is probably one of the worst cases I have ever dealt with. So tell me, what exactly happened leading up to the murder?
Earlier that day, I was at work. The mother of my child called me talking about child support. My check was short this week, so I cannot pay child support. After we got off the phone, my supervisor asked me to do something. I cursed out my supervisor and got fired. I went home after that.
I am so sorry you got fired today. Why did they fire you?
I cursed my supervisor, Mr. Davis, out. I got so upset because Brittany keeps sweating me about child support.
What are you going to do? You have to pay your student loans, car note, pay mom and dad rent.
I will figure something out. Thinking about this now is making my head hurt. I really wish I did the PPP loan.
Yeah, okay, so you can get locked up like everybody else.
Whatever, I will talk to you later. I have to update my resume so I can apply for other jobs, or I could think about doing Uber. I wonder what mom and dad are arguing about now.
That is why we are having problems in our marriage now. You can't seem to keep your finances in order. Did you at least remember to get life insurance?
Yeah, I have life insurance. I have a policy for $50,000. What's yours? Or did you forget this time to get life insurance since you always blaming me for something?
Now why do you have to go there? I have a policy for $40,000.
Well, look on the bright side, at least we know that everything will be taken care of if anything happens to us.
Brenda, I just came up with a brilliant idea. While I was on the computer, I overheard them talking. Mom and Dad has a life insurance policy close to $100,000.
Okay, so what? That's a good thing that they have life insurance. I know you're up to something. I know my brother, and you have that look in your eyes.
Just hear me out. If they are no longer here, we will get the $100,000 and be set for the rest of our lives.
That is not a good idea. I know we did not have the best childhood, and they adopted us. It still does not make it right.
You always wanted the dream home in the Beverly area on top of that hill. This is the fastest way to get that house. You do not have to do anything. I can do all the work.
Are you sure you are ready to do this? Once we do this, there is no turning back.
I have never been so sure about something in my life. Out of everything we have been through with them, they deserve it. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to wait inside that car. I will only be a couple of minutes.
I need to take something out this refrigerator to cook for tomorrow.
Hey, I am glad I was able to catch you in here. I have always wanted to express myself to you, but you never listened. Ever since I was a child, I felt like the black sheep of the family. The times when I got bullied in school, you and Dad never listened to me. And I do not appreciate the fact that you and Dad abused me and Amanda. How can you live with yourself after everything you have done? You know what? It doesn't matter. I want to make sure that I am the last person you see.
Wait.
What have you done? What the hell is wrong with you? Please put the gun down.
You and Mom deserve this. After everything you did to us, you don't deserve to live.
Just like I mentioned earlier, this is insane. This made national news. It's a shame how your sister threw her life away also for money. Well, you are being charged of first-degree murder for both of your parents.
You guys saw what happened. I also feel bad for getting my sister involved. I know I definitely overreacted. If you were me, how would you have handled the situation? And also, moral of the story? Learn how to deal with situations without harming people. And also, don't allow greed and money to put you in dangerous situations that you are going to regret.